okay, centroid. X bar and y bar we want to find it. Okay, we know the value formula for x bar and y bar as formula for calculating a centroid is for x bar is sigma ai xi divided by sigma ai, whereas for y bar sigma ai yi divided by sigma ai. This is the formula. Okay, so here there are three sections, so we want to find the right here there are three sections here, and they had given that unique thickness is the for a they had given this. We want to find the centroid for I section, and they also tell that the uniform thickness is 3 mm, that is thickness of the web is 3 mm, sorry 3 centimeter throughout the section. Here it is 3 centimeter, and the thickness here is also it is 3 centimeter. The thickness is uniform throughout the section, so that is 3 centimeter, and they have given the width for each component. Okay, width and height they had given here. So from that we want to calculate, as I already told you that first draw the table. Area number AI, that is area, xi yi ai xi, here it is ai yi. Okay, first one we can find the area for a let me take this as a area 1. Since it is a directly we cannot find it, we are dividing the I section into 3 different parts, such as 3 different rectangles. Okay, for each rectangle we have to find the x bar xi yi, that is xi yi is nothing but the center of that particular rectangle. Okay, center for that particular rectangle in x direction and with respect to y direction, all with with reference from 0, 0, this part. From this part, what is the centroid here, and from this part what is the x center for this component, center for this area and center for this area. Okay, first area 1 we take it as area 1. AI, what is the how we can find the area for this rectangle?
Length into breadth.
Length into breadth, that is 15 centimeter. Okay, we can avoid the units. 15 into 3,
45.
that is 45. We can here write it like this, centimeter square, centimeter, and here also centimeter cube, centimeter cube. Okay, what is the from this point, this is the origin 0, 0. We want to find the center for this triangle, rectangle. Either center and above. What is how we can find the center? For x on the we know that for rectangle x was equal to, let it be b by 2. What is the center for here? This particular point, that is b by 2.
So 7.5, sir.
Okay, 7.5. But from origin, what is this distance?
Sir, 15.
Total 15 from this origin, this point. And from this point, the origin center point is 7.5. 15 half of the 15 is 7.5. This is the x location here. Okay, but from we have to take always with respect to origin. Origin, this difference 7.5, because total length is 30. Okay, in which 15 this portion is 15, remaining 15. Okay, in the side 15 7.5, this end 7.5 generally konjam yosichina idu puriyum. 7.5 inga 7.5 varuma. If we add the 7.5 plus 15 we get the value of 30. How we can divide this portion? Okay, total 30 in which this this area itself occupies 15. So remaining வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா 7 this side 7.5, this side 7.5. So we can write this as 7.5 plus 7.5 which was equal to 15 centimeter. Similarly y 3.5, half of the வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா y வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா this is 1.5. Height, what is the height here? Total 21. So minus 3 இங்க ஒரு 3 போச்சுனா இப்போ 21, total 21, here minus 3 na remaining 18. So 18 plus 1.5, you can say 18 plus 1.5 which was equal to 19.5 centimeter. Since this base is 3 centimeter and here it is 15, okay, total 18. From the origin, the center point of this area, the center point of this rectangle is 1.5, but from origin its distance is here it is 18, that is 15 plus 3, 18 plus 1.5, total 19.5.
Sir, இந்த இடத்துல எது சார் ஆரிஜின் எடுத்துக்கலாம், எந்த பாயிண்ட் ஆரிஜின் எடுத்து?
Always take this origin வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா starting point. ஓகேங்களா? Because you are taking center, ஏன்னா நீங்க சென்டர்ங்கிறது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is we have to take from some reference point. Usually reference point will be origin 0,0 for any square shape components and all. This is the origin. So from that point only we have to take the center point where the total weight of this component acts, whether here ங்கிறது we want to find from that origin only. Okay, since it is axisymmetric component வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா the first law itself we know that for an axisymmetric component centroid always lies in the axis. In this particular axis line it will lies AIYI, that is 45 AXI, YI into 15. So that is 45 into 15, value here 45 into 19.5. What is the value? Did anybody is having calculator? Just
Sir, 675 sir, AIXI.
Just wait a minute. Six
75.
AIYI.
877.5 sir.
Okay, this is okay. Equation 2. Yeah. Next for this particular region, what is the area? Length into breadth again. We said length is 3 centimeter and height வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா 15. Total வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா 21. Here minus we have particular height, this height alone we want to calculate. 3 centimeter minus 3 centimeter, so total 21. So minus 6 we get 15. Okay, 3 into 15, again it is 45. What is the x value here? The center for this area in x direction, 3 divided by 2, 1.5. Okay, from here you know that it is 15. Just okay. From the origin we can directly write it as a xi is 15. Here for yi, height is 15, so half of the 15 is 7.5. Here 3, so 10.5. yi is 3 plus 7.5 which was equal to 10.5. So just similarly write it for third. Here there is no issues. 30 into 3 which was equal to 90. xi வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா 15 and yi is 1.5. So just multiply this value and tell me the answer here for element number for area number 2. What is the value? That is 45 into 15 xi ai. Again we get same 675. xi yi, this value 45 into 10.5. What is the answer?
Sir, 472.5 sir.
472 0.5.
0.5.
Okay, similarly 90 into 15, what is the value for AI xi here? Can anyone tell me? Just tell it quick.
Sir, 1350, sir.
1350. Just okay. Similarly, next thing 90
Sir,
into
130.
90 into
135, sir.
135.
135.
Just make a summation here. Sigma AI summation of AI xi summation of AI yi. Just tell me the answer. Can anyone tell me quickly? Since we want to solve another problem, that problem has little bit tougher geometry compared to this, or complex geometry compared to this.
180.
180. This sigma AI is 180. Sigma AI yi is
2700.
2700. Sigma AI yi is, this is 472.5. Adding a 3 number take this much time. Okay, I can write it, just you guys see 1485. So x bar was equal to summation of AI y xi summation of AI. Here the value is 2700 divided by 180, and the value of x here is, we can write it as 15 centimeter. Similarly, y bar was equal to AI yi, that is 1485 divided by 180, which was equal to
8.25, sir.
centimeter. So for this component vandu pathina, the centroid lies between, so that is 15, here it is 15, and the height vandu pathina from the bottom 8.25 centimeter. This is where your centroid locate for this kind of, for this object. Okay, this point, maybe let it be this point. Okay, if you keep your the whole weight of the object can be concentrated at this particular point. You can rotate or you can balance the object by placing a pivot at that particular point. Okay. Next problem. Here all the problems. Okay, let me have this part. Okay, similarly we have to solve, we can solve the problem like here for this. Just we'll type it. Determine the centroidal coordinates of the area shown in figure with respect to xy component system shown. With respect to xy component system shown. Okay. What is the difference between previous sum and this sum?
அது rectangular sir.
So previous everything was rectangle, sir. இங்க வந்து over shape மாறும்.
So how we can solve this one?
The semicircular triangle.
All the components of all the shapes. How we can calculate kanna? Any idea?
area la kandupichu.
Okay. Similarly, in previous problem vandu pathina, we calculated the area directly by adding the three rectangles. okayங்களா, we calculated the centroid for this individually. We calculated the centroid for each areas, and we have combined all those things to get the value to arrive the value of x bar and y bar. But here there is a one, we can say this, what, how many areas are here? Let this is be the area 1 and this is be area 2, this is be the area 3 and this is be the area 4. okay, how we can solve this now? Just first thing வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா we can find the value area for the whole rectangle. From that we can minus these two and add these two. okay, just like addition da. We cannot directly calculate that since it is not a regular shape. But what we can do now, first thing we have to find the area and x bar, xi, yi for this first element 1, sorry, for area 1, that is the whole triangle. okayங்களா, the whole triangle, and after whole rectangle, and after that we can subtract the area 3 and 4 from this and add 2. By doing like this, by doing like this we can find the value. Just I had made it just a little bit of, this is be 40. okay, adjust with the scaling. okay, this is be the height, hundred, okay. What we want to find is to find the value of x bar and y bar. We know the formula, that is x bar was equal to summation of xi ai xi. Similarly, y bar was equal to summation of ai yi. This is the formula, we know this. okay, next one we want to find just as I say this area number, draw the table, area xi yi, but this is be ai, centimeter square. Here all the units are in mm. okay, mm square, mm, m, AIXI, that is mm cube, OA. Okay, you can find that for first area 1. Here area 1 is nothing but the whole triangle, whole rectangle. This whole rectangle we take it as a area 1. What is the dimension, Kana? I say that the area of
Sir, 120 into 140, sir.
yeah, the height is 80 plus 40. Here the breadth is 20 plus 80, 100 plus 40. So we can say it as 120 into, you can write like this, width into breadth, 140 into 120. What is the value, Kana? Can anyone able to
Sir, 16,800
16,800. Okay, xi,
meter cube.
okay,
Millimeter.
I have written here. Okay, counting it, you can write it in the header itself. Okay, the center for this, let this is be the origin 0, 0. Okay, center for this area 1, that is 140, half of the 140,
70.
70. Similarly, y height is 120. What will be the center here?
60.
Sorry, xi inga, we can take it as final. Next one, let it take this area 2. Area 2 is here. What is an area for we can say the area for a right angle triangle? Half BH. Okay, half BH, half. What is the dimension? B into h. Here B is 60. They had given directly. It is 60, height வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா total is 120. We in the left side they had given the height at 120, but here right side is 100. So this height is 20.
20, sir.
20 into 60. B on the 60 into 20. What is the answer? 600 600 mm square. Okay. What is the value for finding this x value? How we can find this?
Sir, B by 3, sir. B by 3, sir.
Since we know that here it is b by 3 and it is h by 3. Okay, b by 3. What is the value of b here? 60 by 3. What is the answer? 20. So is equal to 20. And here h by 3, that is 20 by 3. Value of 20 by 3? 6.67.
6.67.
Okay. Similarly 3. What we want to, area of 3, third area. This is the area of 3. Okay. What is the dimension? This total is 140.
40 into 20, sir.
No, 40 into 40. These are all not in the same height. These are not same. Okay, this is little bit. Can say this.
Sir, same இல்லாட்டி அப்ப எப்படி சார் நமக்கு அது 14 தெரியும்?
Total height
Length?
total length வந்து 140. So here it is cut as 400. For remaining
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
40. So 40 into 40. What is the value here?
1600.
Okay. Similarly, what is the width here? 40. X was equal to 40 by 2, 20. Since it is from the origin itself, it is 20 only. So I am writing here as 20. Y also 40 by 2, 20. But from the origin, here it is 80. From that only the value is 20. Okay. So y value is 100. Because from the for this rectangle the center is 20, but from the origin, what is that center, how long it is the center point is located, from how far it is located? 80 plus 20, we can get it as 100. Okay. But another thing you want to note it is, here we want to minus this thing, so add minus sign here, just add a minus here.
சார் அப்ப அந்த ட்ரையாங்கிளுக்கும் நம்ம அந்த எக்ஸ்ல ஆட் பண்ணோம்ல சார் எக்ஸுக்கு?
எக்ஸுக்கு ஆட் பண்ணணும். I think we had missed it.
Yes, sir, we have missed it out.
Okay, then 140 plus 20, that is 160. Okay, 140 plus 20, which is equal to 160. Thank you. Just okay. Similarly, for element component 4, semicircle. Semicircle, what is the area? Pi r squared by 2. What is the formula for calculating the semi? Pi r squared by 2, and x bar is equal to 0. X bar is located exactly at the center, that is this point, and y is 4r by 3 pi. Just remember this, 4r by 3 pi. Okay. Pi r squared by 2, area is pi r squared by 2, that is pi. Here also we have to minus, so add pi into, what is the r value here?
R40, sir.
R40. Since total length is 18, R40. So pi r 40 squared by 2. What is the value? (2513). Okay. Let the x bar for half semicircle. We know that the x bar is 0, that is origin. This is the x bar lies at its center 0. So from this particular origin, how long it is? 20 plus 40. So x bar is 60. That is xi is 60 for element for a equation, sorry, for a area number 4, and y we know that 4r by 3 pi. 4r by 3 pi. That is 4 into r. 3 into pi, we get the value of 16.97. Since from the origin also it is the same height, okay, origin also, from the origin also it is the same height only, so there is no need. So now we can multiply these things. AI xi for equation 1. AI is plus 16,800 into value 70. What is the value? Kannu, there is a, once you calculated na, just listen everyone, kindly listen. 16,800 into 70. When you equate it, there is a equation that 11,76,000. Instead of writing the whole thing, there is a button called ENG, just this engineering value, just above the numerical value 7 and 8 button. Okay, see your calculator, the above the 8, there is a button called ENG, just press that. You can get the value in terms of 10 to the power. So use this value for long digital value like this. So we can write this as 1.176 into 10 to the power 6. Okay, well, by writing like this, you can avoid the typographical error. 16800 into 60, 1.00 into 10 to the power 6. Similarly, for this value also, 600 into 160, we get the value of 96 into 10 to the power 3. Similarly, 600 into 6.67, we get the value of 4 into 10 to the power 3. Minus 1600 into 20, we get the value minus 32 into 10 to the power 3, 1600 into 100, we get 160 into, that is minus 160 into 10 to the power 3. Since we want to subtract this, we are adding the symbol like here. Don't miss this, forget to put minus here. Okay, 2513 into 60, we get the value of minus 150 into 150.8 to the power 3. 2513 into 16.97, there we get minus 42.64 into 10 to the power 3. We have to make addition. Okay, how, while adding on the, how we can use the 10 to the power 3 அப்படிங்கும்போது there is a query. Okay, how I take your calculator and repeat after me. Just summation of sigma, summation of AI can be easy. 16,800 plus 600 minus 1,600 minus 2513. We get the value of 13,287 mm square. Here 1.176 into 10 to the power 3, how we can write it now? Just below the button there is a below the button 3. Okay, just see the below the button 3 there is a button named EXP. Just click that. We will have an exponential E, the symbol for exponential E. Then write 1.76 into 10 to the power. 10 to the power we can use the button. Just E button below the 3 க்கு கீழ வந்து 3 ங்கற button below the button 3 என்ன சொல்லலாம், below the 3 there is a button named EXP ன்னு இருக்கும். That is exponential value. Just click that. A E symbol will appear in your calculator and then press 6. So now your calc will have a value 1.176 into e power 6. Okay, here 10 to the power 6 ங்க வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா we cannot directly write it as a 10 to the power 6 in a calculator. For that we will be for the 10 to the power we will be using the value EXP, that is exponential value. So 1.176 into e power 3 plus 96 into e power 3 minus 32 into e power 3 minus 150.7 into e power 3. We get the value of the power 6, sorry. Just can you mute yourself? Mute. We get the value of, once we adding everything now, we get the value sigma ai xi was equal to 1.08 into 10 to the power 6. Can a few people just mute Siva Chalabadi, Vivin Anand and Vijay Krishna? I think, sorry, Surya Prakash. Just mute it. Once you want to answer, you can directly. Next thing is sigma summation of ai xi. Sorry, ai yi. Just add this 1 into e power 6 plus 4 into e power 3 minus 160 into e power 3 minus 42.64 into e power 3. We get the value of 801 into 801.36 into 10 to the power 3 mm cube. So value of now we can easily find the value of x bar and y bar. X bar was equal to 1.08 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 13,287. 1.08 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 13,287. We get the value as x bar on the pathina, we will get the value of 81.97, oh sorry, 81.28 mm, and y bar is 801 divided by 36 into 10 to the power 3 287. We get the value 60.31 centimeter. So 31 mm. This is the point where the center 81.28 and y on the pathina 61. In this location, the whole weight of this object is acting. Since if we have a irregular shape now, we want to do the assemblage, that is adding and subtraction. We want to perform it to find the values.